Hello, beautiful people. Thank you guys for tuning into another video. Today, I went to the grocery store this morning. We are here in Sucre, Bolivia, and I went and got some groceries. These groceries all came to about $50, and we got a good amount of stuff. So let me show you guys. I'm gonna pull it all out. We got these two bags, plus I loaded some things up into my backpack down there. And Elian is over here crawling around. Okay, let's see what we got for $50. Starting off, we have this bread. I already ate 2 pieces, but these are like little bread. They're not that little, they're like palm size. We got 6 of those. Elian loves these. They had these in Peru as well. Ensuflado de arroz, basically puffed rice. We also got some muesli. This is one that has oats, wheat, cornflakes, pastas are raisins, apple, papaya, banana, and dried blueberries, chia, and honey. I am vegan, but honey is one kind of exception that I do kind of make. I won't like eat pure honey, but anyways, okay. This is arroz base para paella, which it has color, but naturally from paillo molido. And I think paillo is some kind of spice. I know that it's not false coloring, so that's why I was like, oh, let's just try that rice out. We got some. Excuse me. Oh, bless me, baby. Oh, you playing with the stool? Be careful. Make sure it doesn't fall on you. Make sure it don't fall on you, okay? I'm showing everyone our stuff. I got 2 of these natural tomato sauces. I got some almonds. We have lentils. I stocked up on some pasta because if you guys watch my videos, you know I have an Italian soul. I also got these beans. What's wrong, my baby? Huh? Do you want me to put you on my back? Should I put you on my back? Yeah? Okay. Alright guys, so somehow my microphone was not properly on, so I'm just going to voice over this part, but I put Elion in his carrier so he could be a little bit more comfortable. He was getting a little bit whiny, and this carrier is amazing. This is the Lily Baby 3-in-1. I will link it down below if you guys are interested in it. It's super comfortable for me, comfortable for him, and there are several positions you can do with it as well. So let me show you guys the rest of the stuff. So next we have our frijol caricoa. I don't really know how to pronounce it properly. And next we have more pasta, of course, fettuccine. I am a pasta lover. And what else do we have going on? Oh, I had a hair stuck in my finger because my nails are starting to lift. So everything's getting stuck in this. This is cabellos de Yangel. I love using this to make Turkish rice and also to do sopa de fideos, Mexican style. So I'll decide what I'm going to make with that. We have granos de choclo, which are corn kernels. Comino, which is cumin. Cumin is an ingredient that I have in a recipe I'm gonna make with those beans, the white beans. They are Peruvian style beans, and I made them once when I was in Peru, and they were absolutely delicious. So I'm definitely gonna make those again. We have popcorn. I saw this popcorn, and I was like, you know what? The only ingredients are popcorn, salt, and oil, and I just want to try them out. Here we have some chia seeds. I love adding them to juices, to granola. It's a good binder if I want to bake anything. We have spinach, nice fresh bake of spinach. We have black pepper. That's a basic. I love adding black pepper and everything. We have albahaca, which is basil. And we have a new bamboo toothbrush. As you guys know, I love everything natural, and this is just made of bamboo, and the fibers of the toothbrush have a bit of charcoal in it as well. Got a little bunch of garlic. And what am I saying? Oh, acelga. Acelga is like Swiss chard. I've seen it all around Peru and seen them put it in empanadas and things like that, but I hadn't actually bought it myself and made it. I don't know if it's the same as Swiss chard that you would get in Canada or the US. We'll find out. We got some fresh mushrooms. I love me some mushrooms. This is the refresco de soya. This is my first time trying this. I couldn't find actual carton soy milk or non-dairy milk. I just saw like one chocolate rice milk, but I decided to try this one because it looked interesting. Basically, the ingredients are toasted soy, sugar, cinnamon, and cloves. So it kind of sounds like might be like horchata style, Mexican horchata style. We have a green pepper. We have some berenja, which is eggplant. And oh my goodness, garbanzos. Sorry, my baby's right over here. Garbanzos are chickpeas. And these, what is this? Whoa, whoa, camera moving everywhere. Oh, macaroni. We got a big bag of tomatoes. I can always use tomatoes because, like I told you guys, I have an Italian soul and I love making Italian food or Turkish food, and tomatoes are like key ingredient. Zucchini. That was a quick little flash. Okay, let me show you guys what I put in the backpack. This backpack is great, by the way. It literally folds down and you can fit it in your hand and put it in your suitcase. It's super, super handy. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested in it as well. So I got a bag of red onions. I got, oh, my hair's in the way. All you can see is my hair. Okay, we got broccoli. I love broccoli, one of my favorite vegetables. We got 2 bottles of water, 2 2-liter bottles. It says, somos agua para todos. We are water for all. We got a big bag of carrots. Carrots are a must. I always eat a lot of carrots. Get that beta-carotene in. And, oh, not showing you very well. Oh, there we go. We got a bottle of olive oil, Spanish olive oil. And that was probably like what I splurged on the most, but I always love to get a good high quality olive oil. And that's it, guys. So what do you think? All this for $50 US. How much would all this cost in you guys' hometown or where you guys live? Let me know. Comment down below how much it would cost you and where you're from. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.